Section 12, question 1. The diagram shows part of the graph of y equals 5 plus 4x minus x squared. So there's the upside down U-shaped parabola, inverted U-shaped parabola. A is the point minus 1, 0. B is the point 5, 0. And I'm just going to put that in there. So A is at minus 1 on the x-axis, B is at 5 on the x-axis. State the equation of the axis of symmetry of the graph. Now, the axis of symmetry is the line of symmetry that is on this particular curve. So, as you can see, that dotted line there, that vertical dotted line, that is a line of symmetry, and that is the axis of symmetry. What we're looking to do now is to find its equation. This is pretty easy stuff. The equation of the axis of symmetry is always represented just by x equals a number. Now the number is where we cut the x-axis. Now, as you can see through symmetry, we cut the x-axis there at halfway between minus 1 and 5. Now, if you think about between minus 1 and 5, between minus 1 and 5, well, to get from minus 1 to 5, you count along 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So to get halfway in between, we're counting on not 6 units, but 3 units. So 3 units on from minus 1 is 1, 2, 3. And that's x equals 2. It works if we go backwards from 5 as well, as expected. So 3 units back, 1, 2, 3. Just take your time with those questions, they're pretty easy if you think about them. Halfway in between minus 1 and 5 is 2. Therefore, the equation of the axis of symmetry is just x equals 2. Okay, part B. Part B says, hence, find the maximum value of y equals 5 plus 4x minus x squared. Now, as you can see, the maximum value occurs up here, up at the peak of the curve. Now, the maximum value refers to the highest point of the curve, and that refers to y coordinates. Alright. Now, if you're looking for the maximum value, you're looking for the y coordinate up here. If you're looking for the y coordinate, it makes sense to look at this equation, because this equation y equals gives you y coordinates. Now, where does the maximum value occur? It occurs when x, as you can see, as we've worked out, when x is equal to 2. So we're going to get that x equals 2 and put it into this equation for y, and that will give me the y coordinate there, the maximum value. So let's try it. So y is equal to 5 plus 4x minus x squared is my equation. So the maximum value occurs when x is equal to 2, so I'm going to sub that in. 5 plus 4 lots of 2 minus 2 squared. That's 5 plus 8 minus 4. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 take away 4 is 9. Now that means that this curve goes up to a y coordinate of 9 up here. Therefore that would be its maximum value. And I'm just going to explain that pretty clearly to the examiner. The maximum value is equal to 9. And that's the end of the question.